Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. In this video we will have a look into RAMBLER Metals and Mining PLC. The code is RMM. This video is just an educational video and the purpose is to educate you and entertain you with this material. So if you make a decision of investing in RAMBLER Metals, please don't blame me for any losses. Only if you win big, then you can blame me. Let's have a look at the charts. All the prices are expressed in British pounds, so in pennies actually, because this is a penny stock at the moment as we speak. At the price at this moment at 0.398. My first target, as you can see, is at 0.80, so over 100% gain. So what we will do in this video, we will have a look at the classic technical analysis, Ichimoku and the volume. We will try to combine everything and think if this is a good trade, it is a good investment. So as we can see, there is a very nice head and shoulders formation. Let's mark it on a chart. So that would be our left shoulder. Now let's mark the heads, and targets would be going all the way up. And we can see left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. We have the break through the line connecting the shoulder, a retest, and now hopefully we will go up. So this is our classical analysis, very powerful formation when we are at the certain level. And let's have a look what's happening from Ichimoku point of view. Let me try to delete this head and shoulders so we can have a clear view. So let's have a look at the Ichimoku. What signals do we have here? We can see that the Chikou got out of the price, so it was trapped below, and during the formation, during forming the second line here, the price went massively through the Kijun, through Tenkan, and got Chikou above the price. Since then we are staying above the price, bouncing perfectly. Look at this precision here. The price bounced perfectly from the wick of the candle, and now we are trading above. So it looks very good to my eye, at least. We can see that we had a golden cross at this point, at the same point that the price went through Tenkan. Another golden cross, again price is going through Tenkan for a second time, trading below, retesting the Kumo, the lower band of the Kumo. So first we were trying to get into the Kumo, we did it, then we tested the lower band, and now we are trading in the middle area. At the same time, going through the Tenkan, we managed to take the Senkou-span A above the Senkou-span B. So our cloud is green at this point, which is a very good sign. The price is trending above Tenkan and above Kumo. That's another very good sign. And we can see as well that we are sitting inside of Kumo, so we need to wait for the price to break through the Kumo, because now, as we know, trading inside of the Kumo is like walking in a fog. You can't see clearly, but I like already this formation. And to be honest with you, last week I already put my money on it. I'm in this trade and I'm hoping for a gain of minimum 100%. We will see how it goes. there can be another target as well, because we know that 100% of this initial movement. So let's mark it clearly, starting from this candle, stopping here, and our 100% would be at this point. So we need to remember at this level, which looks very interesting because there were gaps here, so like closing these gaps at 0.64, so 40% gain. That would be a level to watch for sure. And this one, the other level, why it's here, let me explain to you like both of these levels. So this one is because our previous support will become the resistance. So the price might get here and might basically be pushed down. And this level here is simply like coming to the previous stop. So this is our previous stop, so we might want to make another, like a bigger head and shoulders, so coming up and then bouncing back to this level and making sort of a fractal formation here. And if we have a look at the weekly chart, this is interesting as well. On a weekly chart, we can see that this stock is not just an any penny stock. This stock used to trade at 70 pounds, and now it's on 40p. So, but we are talking back in 2007, before the crash in 2008. So a long time ago. Let's have a look at another indicator, which is a volume. Volume is very important, so we can see how many traders, how much money was put into the trade, and we can see that right here, right at the bottom, before this bounce up. So we can see that we have a bottom here forming for a good few days, and then someone is putting a lot of money. There's a lot of trades happening here, and we get up, we get above this zone. Let's mark this zone at this point. This is our zone, so this is the close of the highest close here, and now we are above, trading above, not closing below. This is very, very important. And later this is again our like a new zone, basically here, because that was the higher close. We are jumping above. Let me just move this one, so going above this level and never even retesting this level. We just retested here, so sort of like this candle. So you can see that we can even mark this one as a proper zone. It was retested here, and then we went through Tenkan, through this level. So this is a level previous support, became resistance. We broke through, retested, and now we are going up. So if we want to have a new one, now this is the close was actually here. We can see that we are retesting this level, and again going hopefully higher and above and above, and making like steps, walking on steps. So you can see that there was a lot of trading at this point, a lot of massive trading. Look, just from here, 1 2 3 4 5 candles, and again another push, another massive push, another massive volume. So we can see that someone is putting money into this trade. So I want to trade with this someone. This is my idea of this trade. As I said, very nice formation, head and shoulders. But please make your own research on the company, whether you want to make an investment in a long term based on the fundamentals, of the company, or you just want to trade based on the technicals. And if you have an interesting stock, especially like that, because you know, it's easy to analyze trade after something happens, so I can pick the trades that they are already above Kumo and trading nicely, bouncing off, and there is like the fifth or seventh wave, and I can tell you like, oh yeah, this would happen, but this is the bottom, so we are still here like 50-50, might happen, might not. All the signs look very good, but the risk is higher, but the reward is greater as well. So this is the idea. If we find some trades like that at the bottom, just before they break through the clouds, this is the proper trading. So we can get on board with the accumulation and enjoy another 2 to 3 strong waves up. And you know, the impulses, the stronger they are, the quicker we make money. So as I said, we can make 100 to 300% on this trade. Okay guys, if you like this video, give it a thumb up. If you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to this video for more content like that. If you have any ideas, trading ideas, let me know. I might make a video about your pick. So thank you very much, and until the next video, take care, bye.